Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to add shipping cost on Shopify. So the first step is simply go to your settings, and after that you'll have to simply go to shipping and delivery. After that you're going to see here that you have shipping rates. As you can see, you have general shipping rates, so you have to click on general, and after that you'll have to simply go to shipping zones, and then you'll have to delete this. So I'm going to delete all of these, and then simply click on create zone, and then here you have to simply enter the zone name. And as you can see, customers won't see this, so if you want to name it, you can do that. And then you can select the country, so you can go international, and basically all countries will selected without United States. You'll have to select this manually, and after that you can go on done. But first of all, you need to add a name. I'm gonna add a test, and basically here you'll have to add rate, and then here, as you can see, you have to select set up your own rates, and then here you can give it a name like shipping, and then you can enter the cost here. So you can enter like $10, or if you want to make it free, you can simply enter free shipping, and then simply make it 0 like this, and it should be, and basically this will be free shipping. They will be able to see this at checkout. As you can see, customers will see checkout, and as I said, if you want, you can raise the prices, and then click on done, and basically that's all you have to do. Click on save, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Thanks for watching.